Let's talk about some things that make horizontal transformations different in a trigonometric function than, say, in a parabola or a line or any other function. All of these come from the fact that trigonometric functions are periodic. So they repeat over and over again. So right now our transformation is x minus 1. But what if we did x minus 2 pi? Well, guess what? It's going to be exactly the same as our y equals sine of x. There's no difference at all. You can imagine as you're looking at this from a circle, it would be the same thing. If you started from the 0 point on a circle, or you started at the 2 pi point on a circle, you're starting from the same place. So you can imagine the trigonometric function is going to be the same if you shift it by 2 pi or if you don't shift it at all. Another couple of interesting things on this, if you just shift it by pi, it's going to be exactly the opposite. Again, if you can imagine you're standing at 2 points on a circle and you're standing at the 0 point and your friend is standing at the pi point, they're going to be exactly opposite from you on the circle. And as each of you walk at the same rate around the circle, you're going to be exactly opposite from each other at the same time. That's kind of what this graph shows, is it's just you're doing the opposite of what each other are doing. So there's one more interesting transformation, and that is the pi over 2. This doesn't look that interesting. We've shifted by pi over 2. But if you put in, let's graph, instead of making this a sine function, let's make this a cosine function.